Good morning. This is a secure feedback API that I created this week using Spring Boot and Java. I wanted to create this project to explore insight engines and also gain more experience in prompt engineering and utilizing AI as a source of learning. This is my first project working with Microsoft's browser AI, Copilot, and I found it similar to my experiences peer programming with a developer lead where I would try my best on a topic and survey together potential areas for debugging. It was additionally helpful where I can learn to use it to learn more about other topics and implementations, such as using MySQL or PostgreSQL versus an embedded H2 database. An in-memory SQL database that Spring Boot can auto-configure instantly. While it doesn't save data across restarts, it was a great starting point within my time constraint and of trying to complete this within 3 to 4 days and still aligned with my goal of getting a good understanding of the API. So let's get started. All right, so the application has started, and then here we're going to log in as a user. And then after we log in, we're going to get the user's token and submit feedback. And then the feedback was the message that this app is awesome. And then we're going to log in as an admin. And then the admin has access to see everything. So if everything works correctly, we should see all the feedbacks. And this is what we got. So this part using this extension was another part where I learned and collaborated with Copilot. It taught me about using Postman, the software, and using curl commands and PowerShell to send HTTP requests. Postman actually ended up glitching too often, so after intentional prompting, we found a VS Code extension that I found incredibly useful. Overall, I'm very proud of this project and what I was able to accomplish and learn with help from AI within a week's time. If I get some more time, I love to come back and add unit testing just for better development practices and integrate a persistent database with PostgreSQL for consistent data across restarts. Now, whenever I restart, I have to get a new token for everything and it doesn't save all the feedbacks. With a persistent database, I won't have to re-enter the token every time and it would just remember each user. Even more ambitiously, I think it would be cool to also generate a UI interface to make it more user-friendly for not just developers. Thank you.